Hey guys, so I wanted to just make a video and just show you about these products I just purchased on my own. I bought these myself to replace battery and a charger for a digital camera that I have. I just want to show you what they look like. And they come in these boxes here. That's by Kastar. And I've been using these things for years and they work fantastic. This is what the battery charger looks like. You can see all around. I want to show you to you so you can see what it looks like. It has a pop-out plug so you can plug it into the wall, outlet, power strip, doesn't matter. When you're done with it, put it away. So it's compact, easy to use, and easy to take on the road. And then I purchased also always their batteries. I love their batteries. Just make sure you match up the right battery for the right camera. This is an SLB-10A battery, so the exact same one that was in the camera. And I always buy a replacement battery. Very reasonably priced. I've been using these guys for years, and this is how this comes. So it comes in this box, this comes in this box, and easy to use. Show you how to hook it up. All you have to do is basically, I always just match the pins, put them right in like this, boom, like that, plug it in the wall, and you're good to go. So when you first plug it in, you get a red light, which means it's charging, and when it's green, it's full. And also on a side note, you can also charge the original batteries that came with your camera with this as well. So it has multiple purposes. They work well, and like I said, I've been using this company for a long time. Highly recommend them. If you're looking for a battery charger and a battery and great price, this is the guys right here. It's a go-to. This is what they look like. Easy breezy, and I absolutely love them. Hope you enjoyed the review. Appreciate your time as always.